I'm recording this. It's so complicated, but I mean, let's just do it. I'm trying my best to record everything, but I don't know. It's so difficult to record, yeah? How do people do it? I don't know, guys, tell me. So let's just start it because I have tried 1000 times and I cannot start it. I don't know what to start it with. My script is there, I can't see there. I'll have to look here also. So I'm just gonna start with it, right? So welcome to everybody who is here, and I'm so glad if 2 people are watching it. It might be Harleen or Vanchaka or like any of my 2-3 friends. So anyway, very welcome to you all. My name is Priya and I'm a full-time cabin crew. I made this channel because I really wanted to, talk about my journey, and I'm somebody who loves documenting my life, through anywhere. I'm literally on Instagram, not Facebook. I deactivated it because I don't want to use it anymore. But Tumblr, Pinterest, whatever you say, I'm there. I don't know why I'm there, but I am there. It's just because I feel if one fine day I want to look back into my life, I can just go on my Instagram, scroll a bit down, and go to that particular day and look at a reel, and I'll remember, that the day was like that for me. So I am somebody like that. But I want to tell you all that I have officially made it, not just for me, but for everybody to look and a bit learn, I just want to be here and inspire people. If anybody who wants to be a cabin crew, or if they want to learn fashion, or if I'm not a professional, by the way, it's just a bit of experience from here and there, and whatever I have, I want to give it around. I want to give it to everybody because I have an Instagram page, right? But then again, I only have 200 followers, but people still ask me that, how did you become a cabin crew? How did you crack the interview? How is, things? What are layovers? How do you get, what is your salary? And I don't know, 1000 questions. So I think it's a good time to start it with. And I just want to tell you all that I'm actually really, really open for your all suggestion. So if you have any query or, you want me to make a specific video about something, I'll be really glad to do it. And if you want a home tour, I can do that because this flat is really pretty and I am obsessed with it. But there's something I want to tell you about this flat also, which I'm going to tell later if I'll get views, if I'll have the motivation, because the schedules are pretty bad. I'll not lie, they are actually really, really bad. And I have I am literally out of things what I should talk about. So I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna look back to my script and I'll just see a bit of things and come back here. So bye. I am back. I have looked there. So we can talk about what you all can expect here. So I am somebody who really wants to know your opinion, and when I wanted to be a cabin crew, I searched a lot here and there, but things were vague, and if they were detailed, then they were not proper, or they were advertisement mostly. So I don't really support that. I feel we should be straightforward with things, but there are 2-3 creators who I'm fumbling because I'm so nervous. But we can't show that, can we now? So, Alexa, volume 3, please. Yeah. So, where was I? I was at what can we expect here? So, most definitely, I'm starting this journey and I want things to be authentic. I want things to be original. And I want you all to be with me. So, if you want any suggestions, any questions that you have that you want me to answer, that how did you become a cabin crew, or how did you move out from Delhi? And right now, because I'm living in Bangalore, so it's a total different cultural shock I got. And there's a lot of things in Bangalore. I like Bangalore, but then again, it's Bangalore. There's a lot of things that happens in Bangalore. So we can talk about that as well. So I'm very much open for anything which you want to talk. Please let me know. If I can't tell you all everything, I'll just tell you a little bit of it. So I can tell you, what can I tell you? So I can tell you that I started off my journey in 2023 when honestly, speaking very honestly, becoming a crew is not on my list. I never really thought that I will go into a profession like this, or something like that, because I did my graduation in philosophy and then I took a job here because I was planning to continue